I would like to now move to the next award, which is the Genome BC Award for Scientific Excellence. And returning again is Dr. John Shepherd, who is going to present the award.
Thank you, Wendy. I'm honored to be here today virtually on behalf of Genome BC to present this award. Genome British Columbia is a not-for-profit organization supporting world-class research and innovation in genomics and fostering a globally competitive life sciences sector to deliver sustainable benefits for BC, Canada, and beyond. Over the last 20 years, Genome BC has generated over $1.1 billion of investment into our province, and we are delighted to recognize the local excellence that flows from that as we are with this award today. Genome BC is dedicated to improving the lives of people throughout BC by advancing healthcare, in addition to addressing environmental and natural resource challenges. Furthermore, we work hard to integrate genomics into society by supporting responsible research and innovation and increasing the understanding and appreciation of the life sciences among educators, students, and the public. The Genome BC Award for Scientific Excellence is presented to an individual, group, or company who has received significant national and international recognition in the fields of genomics, proteomics, bioinformatics, systems biology in the past year, and our winner this year is Dr. Michael Russello. Dr. Russello is a professor in the Department of Biology at the University of BC Okanagan in Kelowna, and the work in his lab is at the interface of ecology and evolution, where his research has impacted biodiversity conservation in over 10 countries, spanning 4 continents, and across species as diverse, pun intended, as Galapagos tortoises, sockeye salmon, Amazon parrots, Cuban crocodiles, and Amur tigers. Dr. Russello's research has made significant contributions to conservation genomics. This includes explaining how hybridization and population size changes affect diversity, understanding how invasive species establish and spread, and advancing strategies for captive breeding and repatriation. Much of this work has been successfully translated into diversification management action. This award recognizes his contributions for conservation genomics across the world, and we're particularly proud to recognize his work in the BC area with the sockeye salmon in the west coast of Canada and in the Pacific Northwest. So let's hear what Dr. Russello has to say in his own words.
30 years ago, I was just getting my driver's license, just coming to the realization that I wasn't going to be the future shortstop for the New York Yankees. So it was actually not long after that as an undergraduate, I had my first experience in a molecular biology lab. So it was about that time that Professor Marie Simovich introduced me to the emerging discipline of conservation genetics. And that was really the light bulb moment for me that really set me on my career path. Biodiversity is something that has been generated for millions of years. And so we're seeing those products throughout the fossil record and into the tremendous diversity that we see today, as well as the documented declines. I like to think of biodiversity as a good in itself, but there are also a lot of arguments for its importance, both in terms of ecosystem structure and function, but also the benefits that they provide to humanity. Well, it was a pleasant surprise to receive the Genome BC Award for Scientific Excellence. I feel really fortunate to have had the opportunity to build my research program within this age of genomics, seeing our research results translated into meaningful conservation practice, contributing to species at risk status assessments, improving invasive species management, guiding captive breeding and reintroductions, and informing freshwater fisheries management. There's still much work to be done. We have these pressing environmental issues that continue to come to the forefront. Can see the times we're living in now, where climate change seems to be manifesting in real time. And so the impacts on biodiversity, we're just beginning to understand that. It's my belief that genetics and genomics can provide a really important tool for helping to reconstruct, what's going on and hopefully provide some information for a path forward for both managing and stemming the loss of biodiversity.
It's my pleasure to present the Genome BC Award for Scientific Excellence to Dr. Michael Russello. Michael.
Well, thank you, John, Genome BC and Life Sciences BC for this award, and to the organizers of this event. I'm truly honored to be in the company of the other awardees. It's been a pleasure to work with Genome BC over the years and contribute in a small way to their efforts in positioning British Columbia as a global leader in genome-enabled research. Today, I just would like to accept this award on behalf of all the students, postdocs, and outside collaborators who have been really true partners in the research generated out of my lab over the years. Without them and the funders, including Genome BC, none of this work would have been possible. So once again, thank you for this award.